He probably thinks I'm a pothead.
Lady boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my ride. What's my life? So much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, but this day, and you can't listen to that.
Catnip. Oh, babies are happy. The catnip. You like it, Mooney? You're just so cute. You're just so cute. Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Do you like your new toy? Hi. The babies are happy. The babies are happy. Mooney. Mooney. This was having the time of his life. You're having the time of... You going crazy? Look, you're full of catnip. Crazy. You're full of catnip. You're full of catnip. Good morning, y'all. First of all, hold on. Let me close this. Y'all, why was I looking for my camera and I found out that I left it outside last night? Thank God it did not rain. Oh my God. But yeah, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. Let me set you guys up. Welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Alex. Hi. Hold on. Like I was saying, if you're new here, my name is Alex. Hi. The last video y'all saw of me was my rants. I actually watched that a couple times and I'm still like in shock that I even was that vulnerable on camera and even said anything, because I'm not like that. Actually, let me turn this Christmas tree. But yeah, I'm not like that, y'all. Like, that was a lot for me, so I appreciate... Hold on. Fudge. Gotta show y'all the Christmas tree too. I appreciate everyone who watched yesterday's video. But let me show y'all this Christmas tree really quick. Look, we have put the crown up with some, like, I forgot what it is, but look how nice it is. Surprisingly, the cats haven't been bothering with it, and I want to say it's because we didn't put any balls there. My last Christmas tree had really small ones, so they kept messing with these. These are the big ones, as you can tell the size. They are pretty big, but yeah, my mom did her thing. I did not help with this. I'm not gonna lie, the way I would have did this Christmas tree would have been the traditional way, not a design like this. But yeah, she did her thing. It felt so weird waking up this morning and like going to check my Instagram and there's no app. There's no Instagram app. I use Snapchat to promote YouTube videos, and Tumblr, I don't really consider it social media like that. I still have that one, but as far as my TikTok, Twitter, Instagram go, so I'm gonna have Belize content, but am I gonna post on Instagram? I don't know. I'm supposed to go to Colombia in March. There's so many trips coming up and so much content coming up that I don't know if Instagram's gonna see it yet. I know y'all gonna see it. Come on, show them your belly. Show them that belly. Come, show them how much you eat. Show them how much you eat. Look at this big boy. You're only a year. Why are you so big? Because you eat so much. Look all that snow on your face. You're a big boy. You're a big boy. Okay.
Cry my shit, live in a minor repair. I finally slipped, built on my body, should make no.
Yes, you want.
The next day, I'm currently getting ready. I have shirt, it's hot. It's hot.
There's a house right there, right? There's times that, and I can see the neighbor, like, doing whatever the fuck he's doing, right? But then it makes me think, like, I'll be out here for hours sometimes, like 5-6 hours, just editing a vlog or like doing what the fuck I gotta do, right? And I always think, like, he probably thinks I'm either locked out the house or like I'm just a bum. Then I'll be out here smoking, you know? So I know he smells the gas. He probably thinks I'm a pothead. Not that I give a fuck. I'm just sharing with y'all what I think my neighbor thinks of me. see my cat licking himself. I kid you not, every time I call his name. Watch. Moan. Moan. Watch. Moan. He looks at me like, yo, my owner, there's something wrong with her. Watch. 'Cause he won't look at me if I say moan. Like moan. Now he looks. Now you're looking. Before I kid you not, he wasn't looking. But when I go like, yo, now he really doesn't care. He's like, he's at it now. Yeah, no. I cried wolf too many times. Can y'all show me? Bring the booty over here. Show me love. Show me love. The only reason why this blanket is here is because this is from my last apartment and they love it. It has their son on it, so they like laying on it. But Mars, I see they do it again. Mars is coming over here to tell me if you don't shut up. What did you feel?
She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm not highest in the room. Hope I'm gonna get out of here. I'm not highest in the room. I'm not highest. She saw my eyes, she know I'm wrong. I see some things that you might be. I'm doing a show, I'll be back. That ain't what she wanted.
So I decided that I'm gonna bleach my hair, well, at least my roots, and this is the one that I got last time. Was it this one? So this is fine. All right, $40, y'all. We brought it down. Of course, we had a tip. $5. Let's do these. Alright, order has been submitted. This is the type of news you do not want to get. I already replaced it. Let's hope they... Oh my god! This is the only thing I really needed. Like, he found everything. But... Oh my god. Please find that. Please find that. Jeremy came through. I got the Aussie shampoo and conditioner. Bleached my roots. I've actually used this one before, so I'm kind of glad that he did get this. And then the Believe Beauty Hydrating Gel Cream. Then I got the moisturizing cream. And then I got the hydrating overnight mask. I actually like the way the packaging looks. Look how cute that is. So yeah, I'm actually really excited to try that. But yeah, y'all gonna have to say bye to this green hair. Last time I said say bye to the green hair and she still was here. So no, this time for real, I got the bleach. And then I got the pink dye in my room. But deuces. Okay, deuces. My mom told me she wants me to... Ooh, she told me to stop scratching. Okay. She told me she wanted me to part this and then comb it out. This is how much hair came out of my head. This is the best we're gonna get. Oh, I can't wait to get rid of this color. Maybe that's why I'm so depressed. Because this color is so goddamn ugly. But yeah, say goodbye. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next clip.
I wonder what I did. I'm not missing. Hope I make it out of here. I'm not missing. I'm not missing. She saw my eyes, she know I'm not. I see some things that you might be. I'm gonna show I'll be back. That ain't what you wanna hear.
It's them saying that he got shot in the chest and died. It's not funny, but this is the blondest. It's gonna get so I'm gonna go wash this off and then I'll see you on the next clip. At least the roots are blonde. So now I'm about to dry this and then on the journey to pink. Oh my god, I'm so over this. Time to go pink. I'm gonna put some music over this. So yeah, cue the montage.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? In New York, I'm Millie Rock. I did in my top, running from a up, and I shoot that up. And I'm on the block. And I'm on the block. In New York, I'm Millie Rock. I did in my top. I did in my top. Standing every rock. In New York, I'm Millie Rock. I did in my top. This is every rock. Running from the top. Shooting at the up. Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? Shooting at the up. Cause I run it rock. Give me top. And my drop. I did hold on top. When I drop. I did hold on top. When I drop. I did hold on top. When I drop. Woo. I did hold one cat. I did hold one bag. Fucking on your bitch. On her dad. All these niggas sound like cat. I'm so damn, I thought I told you. Shooting like a soul, like I'm from Atlanta. All these niggas, all cold, big, never. In New York, I'm Millie Rock. I did in my top, running from a up, and I shoot that up. And I'm on the block. And I'm on the block. In New York, I'm Millie Rock. I did in my top. I did in my top. Standing every rock.
Alright, y'all, this is what we're working with. I like this way better than that blue and green shit that I had going on. Yeah, I like the purple and pink. It's really cute. It's giving me feminine energy, fairy vibes. Yeah. So I'm going to whatchamacallit, blow dry this. Not blow dry, but dry it. And put some gel in it and oil, and then I'll see y'all in the next clip.
In New York, I'm Millie Rock. I did in my top. In New York, I'm Millie Rock. I did in my top. Running from a up, and I shoot that up. And I'm on the block. And I'm on the block. In New York, I'm Millie Rock. I did in my top. I did in my top. Standing every rock.
Alright. So now that this hair is dry and I was looking at the mirror, I decided what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna keep this hair color. We're actually gonna go darker purple. I actually was gonna buy purple hair dye. It was either purple, red, or pink to get rid of the blue and green. But I wasn't sure how the purple was gonna like look on me. I kind of already knew this was gonna turn purple because there was literally green and pink would make this color. So yeah, I'm gonna sleep over it. I'm not gonna include that in this vlog, but I'm definitely not gonna sleep over it. I'm gonna sleep on it. Wake up tomorrow and see how I like it. If not, the next vlog, y'all will see me buying the purple one. And it's not even gonna be the lavender color. It's gonna be the dark purple. That way, when it fades, it'll be lavender. But that way, it'll all be all together. Yeah, because it's just, I like it. I really do like it, but my roots could be darker. So I'm gonna sleep on it, but I am gonna end today's vlog right here because your girl is tired. Um, I feel like I say that all the time, but y'all, I be tired. So I will catch y'all in the next one. I love y'all. Alright, so I went to go show my mom and she's like, she likes it. She thinks I should leave it. I don't know. I got a nail appointment tomorrow, so I don't know if I'm gonna go to a nail salon like this. I do like it. Fuck it, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it, and then I'm the only thing I'm really thinking about, I'm gonna tell y'all, is I have a photo shoot with Chelsea for her brand, and I'm just thinking if we're gonna light this for the shoot or if I should just go darker, like a darker purple. I'm gonna send pictures to her and see if she likes it for the shoot. If she does, I'll just leave it. If she doesn't, it's gonna be a little bit darker than this. But good news is my curls, of course, are still alive. Stiff flare, stiff flare, stiff flare, stiff flare.
In New York, I've been rock. Hiding in my shop. With the very rock. Running for the top. Shooting at the. Yo, yeah.